I mean, I was going to be homeless. You've just saved me. You're my hero.
Oh, hero? I don't know. Well, all right.
I have to go tell Monica what a wonderful mother she has.
Oh, please. You're going to say things now, aren't you?
No, I won't. But I should tell you this. This exact same thing happened to my roommate, Denise. She moved in with a guy who was secretly married to her, and he said he didn't love her, but he really did, and it just blew up. And that's how she ended up living with me. Okay, that's a lie.
You don't have a roommate?
Denise! No one ever listens to me! Hi.
Listen, I'm sorry about before. I don't need to have a game room. I mean, when I was a kid, I only played those games because